Oh, I recently got a package in from Zuru. I see it's about to open it up too. Good. I recently won a giveaway by them a while ago now. I think it was a few weeks ago. And as you can see, it's all covered in Zuru tape. That's how you know it's from them. Let's cut to the chase and crack it open. I forgot what blaster it was I won. Oh, wow. Oh my god. That explains the big box. Check that out. That explains the big box.
What's with the little bugs?
They're targets. I have a few more lying around from when Ryan Ingolstead sent me them.
Who's that?
Remember? He sent me a couple of packages. This will be a separate video on its own. It seems like they don't have air restrictors. Nice. Says they shoot up to 80 feet. So this is gonna be a fun video, a fun review. Alright. Now let's see. They seem to have a pretty comfortable grip, so that's good. But I'll save the rest of that for the review that's coming up next. I'm gonna review these a few, one at a time. Probably. I might just... You know what? Next video, I'll just review both. Alright. See you guys in the next one. Thank you for joining. And thank you, Zuru, for sending this over. I'll be back in a little.